Let's discuss the proper way to sign a document if you're the owner of an LLC, S Corp, C Corp, or any legal entity. Never just sign your name. This implicates you in any pending lawsuits against the company. For example, let's say your company is the Jones Company Incorporated. At the end of the legal document, in the signing blocks, you will see the Jones Company Incorporated. Underneath, there will be a designated line for you, as the owner or authorized signer, to sign. Most people simply sign their name, which leaves them open to implication in a lawsuit if any arises against the company. Here's the proper way to sign. 1. Company name. Write your company name first. The Jones Company Incorporated. 2. By line, below the company name, write by, followed by a colon. 3. Signature, sign your name on the designated line. 4. Printed name and title, underneath, print your name legibly, for example, William Jones, followed by your title, such as President, CEO, or Manager. This format designates you as an authorized signer on behalf of the company, shielding you personally from liability and protecting your personal assets. For those operating under a DBA, doing business as, designation, follow the same rules with one exception. 1. Company name, write the originating company name first, the Jones Company Incorporated. 2. DBA designation, below that, write DBA, name of the DBA company, e.g., DBA Jones Magazine Company or DBA Jones Magazine Incorporated. 3. By line, underneath the DBA designation, write by, followed by a colon. 4. Signature, sign your name on the designated line. 5. Printed name and title, finally, print your name legibly, e.g., William Jones, followed by your title, e.g., President. So, in the case of a DBA, the format would be the Jones Company Incorporated. DBA, Jones Magazine Corp. By, your signature, William Jones, President. Protect yourself and your assets by signing documents in this way, ensuring your personal assets are not implicated in any lawsuits against the company.